Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing, a quick one for that matter, because I don't think I will like it, but it's backed by popular demand. Again, another Festina, this time a diver Festina that is supposed to be an alternative for the people that want something different than the Citizen ProMaster Eco Drive divers. Well, we have the Festina diver, and it's really called diver, as we will show you now from the dial, as you can see. So we have a screw down crown, and as you can see on the 6 o'clock, it's written diver, professional, 20 bar, resist, sapphire. So basically you're getting a quartz movement, you're getting a sapphire crystal, you're getting a screw down crown, very grippy and nice crown, to be honest. Let's see the loom. You're getting a loom pip. You're getting loom on the indices and on the hands. I'm not sure about the loom on this watch. It might not be that strong like a Citizen. Let me open it and I'll show you why. It's just such a big watch. It's a big boy watch. I'm not a big boy wrist-wise, to be honest. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, and this one is a 47 centimeter in diameter, and like to like 55, thickness 15 millimeters. Even though it's a quartz watch, the bezel moves at least. That's good. It's very grippy. Wow. Bezel action is great, I have to say. And the quality overall, the case quality is great. The bracelet, rattly, rubbish bracelet. But the case quality, if you like big watches and you're okay to pay, I think that was, if I'm not mistaken, 139 euros. So basically 139, F20663 4. On the bracelet, 188 grams. Like I said, stainless steel, 20 bar water resistant, screw down crown guards, as you can see from both sides. It's very thick and very and heavy as well, like 200 grams almost. It's heavy watch for a stainless steel watch, for a quartz watch for that matter. And I think on a bracelet even it will be very top heavy. It will need some kind of counterbalance. That's why I don't like heavy watches, because they just are too heavy. I don't understand them. Don't like them. I don't like big watches. Don't like heavy watches. But yeah, that's not about what I like and I dislike. I just wanted to get this on the channel and see how it looks like. Quality wise, great. I have to say the case quality is great. For me, no. It's just too big, too heavy, too bulky, too thick for my activities. Yeah, so what else can I say more about the watch? I don't think there is anything else to say other than, if you did like this kind of video, if you like the new format of rapid fire, rapid unboxing, yes or no type of videos, leave a comment in the comment section. I'm just trying new formats, like the first impression addition to the unboxing, where I have to unbox and then wait a week and make another video and combine them both together. That might be another option, but leave me in the comments which format you like, which you don't, which should I add, which should I leave out, so I'd start improving the content and making it better in 2025. Thanks everybody for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody. Don't forget, subscribe button is here, and 2 videos on the left and on the right that you might enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye bye.